Hello and welcome to this course, Responsive Web Design and Web Development with HTML5 and CSS3. First of all, I want to thank you so much for embarking on this journey with me. I'm really glad that you're here. You've come to the right place to learn about web design and development. In this course, I'm going to show you step by step how to design and develop a beautiful website from complete scratch, using the latest web technologies HTML5, CSS3 and a little bit of jQuery. You will build a unique website using a new skill set that you will be proud of. A website that is both beautiful and functional. But there is more. In this course, you will not just learn how to code, because building real-world websites is more than just writing some code. It's a step-by-step process that requires designing, coding, and so much more. And you will learn all of that in just this course. So, I hope you are as excited as I am to start learning all the powerful new skills I packed into this course. We will learn hands-on web development with HTML5, CSS3, and some jQuery. Together, we will work on a real-world landing page for a fictional company I made up just for this course. The proven 7 real-world steps from complete scratch to a fully functional and optimized website. You'll learn simple-to-use web design guidelines and tips to make your website stand out from the crowd. I'll show you how to get and use amazing images, fonts, and icons to make your website shine, all for free. Responsive web design, which means that you will learn how to create websites that work beautifully on all screen sizes. And this is a must-have skill in today's mobile world. How to use jQuery for super cool effects like animations, scroll effects, and sticky navigation to set your website apart and wow your users. During the entire course, you'll learn how to work with brackets the super effective way, which is the best text editor for web development in the world. And finally, I'll teach you how to optimize your website for good speed performance and for search engines. So, how is this course structured? The course is basically divided into 4 main parts. First, in section 2, you will learn the basics of web design. And with that, I mean all the guidelines, tips, and tricks you need to master beautiful web design in a simple and practical way. After that, in sections 3 and 4, you'll learn the very basics of front-end web development with HTML and CSS. These are short and easy to understand lectures that will get you ready for the killer website project. Which brings us to part 3. This is where the fun begins. Over the sections 5 and 6, you will put in action our proven 7-step plan and use the latest web technologies to build a stunning real-world website. Once you're comfortable with some pretty advanced HTML5 and CSS3 techniques, you will even be adding some cool jQuery effects to the game. And in the end, you will make your website super fast and optimize it for search engines. And to finish, you will even learn how to launch your final website to the internet for the entire world to see it. Now, I know how you're feeling. All of this feels a bit overwhelming, right? But don't worry, you're not alone. I am Jonas and I am your instructor. Believe me, coding doesn't have to be hard or scary or boring. I'm here to guide you step by step and to help you with everything I can. I really want you to be successful with this course. And I know how you feel because I've been exactly where you are right now. I started to learn web design and development about 8 years ago. There was no such thing as Udemy courses back then. So I went through the pain of going through I don't know how many books and literally thousands of online articles and tutorials. And I want to spare you all that pain. So I packed everything I learned on that long journey right into this course. I'll show you everything. I would actually say that this is exactly the course I wish I had when I first started building websites. So please feel free to contact me. You can ask me anything. And you can reach me on Facebook, Twitter, email, and of course in the forums of this course, but more on that in the next lecture. So join me now on this adventure and start your next lecture right now, where I will tell you all you need to do to be super successful with this course.